cinnamon almonds. And the thing that...
Yeah, the Sinclair's candy.
They're like a million years old, like rock. Oh my god.
Okay. I'm on food now. Forget the mouse.